What's going on, everybody? This is Polio Jr. And in today's video, I just wanted to do a really quick review on Cryptotab browser. Now, they have a free version and they have a pro version. I bought the pro version just so I didn't have to install like a secondary VPN, but that's not even that big of a deal. But anyway, just let's get right into it. This is Cryptotab Browser Pro. The layout is identical to the regular Cryptotab browser. Like I said, the biggest difference is that I don't have to install an additional add-on, but like I said, it's really not a big deal. Anyway, I wanted to make a video about Cryptotab because as far as all the research I've done and all the previous videos I've made and doing, every attempt to mine Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies in any way, this has become the most, what seems to be the most legitimate and trusted way to do this. So obviously you can see on the screen it says cloud mining, so this is a cloud mining app. The one thing I really do like about this is that when you are referred or you do refer people, you get a boost in how much you are mining. It says H/S. That's usually a hash rate. So I love that I can, put this on as many devices as I want with the same login name. You can log in with Facebook, Twitter, Google, any social media platform, and you could literally just put it on your phone, put it on different phones, throw it on your laptop, throw it on your computer, whatever the case may be. Now, the biggest difference between this Cryptotab app and the Cryptotab browser, which you would put on your Windows or Mac operating systems, is that on this one every couple hours you have to tap mine. No big deal, but at least it actually reminds you to hit mine. But when you actually have it running on your computer, you hit mine, you hit the percentage on which you want, the level of how you want to mine, and then you never have to touch it again. You just keep letting it accrue and accrue and accrue, and you can, like I said, you can sign in with the same username on every single device and keep building and building and building. Now, I've only recently just started this. It's only been a couple days now, but the reviews are through the charts. They do pay out via Bitcoin to your Bitcoin wallet. And obviously, the more people you refer, the more you can, you get like a very small percentage of what other people make. But, and this is the one cool feature I wanted to show you. I'm going to hit this X2 here. So you can actually you can get a certain boost, for, let me see here, unlock more boosts. Okay. So I have the ×2 boost on. I had some extra money in my Google account, but so I bought the ×2 one for a month just to test it out. But they have ×5, ×10, ×15, and then obviously as you go up here, duration 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, 12 month. They keep becoming cheaper each month. And so I'm testing out the ×2, and it seems to have been increasing, the amount of which I'm cloud mining, by twice the amount, exactly what it says it does. So let's see here. There wasn't really too much to go into this. I just you can see like what I've mined. So what I've personally mined, what I've been getting from affiliate mining, and then my total earnings. So how many people I've invited, and that's number 7 is how many referrals I have. 5 are the number of miners, um, are active miners. And obviously this is basically uh, Google Chrome. So the platform is actually Google Chrome, and so from what they say, I haven't really done it personally, but from what they say is if you go into, a new tab and you start, just Googling whatever, or I mean, you do certain things in here, running Google, maybe even watching videos in here, doing social media within the Cryptotab browser, you can actually accrue more. Um, you can accrue more Bitcoin by using this as your as your default browser if you want to. So I don't see any downside to this. I've done security checks on everything. I've done security checks on the Cryptotab on for my Android device. I've done a scan on the Cryptotab for Windows. Absolutely no problems, no malicious software, no Trojans, anything like that. All completely legitimate. The reviews I've found are, they all speak very highly of Cryptotab. So, and if you just heard, if you just heard that alert, that was actually whatchamacall, my other, a different phone saying to enable mining. So, so it does give you the different. It does give you an alert when it is time to mine again, which is really cool because I hate having to, whatever it is, just trying to, like, oh, well, when do I have to go back and do this again? Is it that time? And then like set a timer on my phone or something like that. So I do like the fact that it does remind you. So, but yeah. So let's see here. The minimum I think is that you can withdraw from here is point. So you see where it says 274. So as long as the number before 2 says 1, then you can withdraw it. So when you would withdraw BTC, yeah. So point 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 zeros and then a 1. This is where you would put in your wallet address, and then it would just deposit directly into that. So I made a video before on. I'm going to wrap this up. I made a video before on a wallet app called Zappa. Now, I do really recommend that, but somebody recommended Coinbase to me, and I'll put links for everything in the description. But the Coinbase application is a lot better than Zappa, whereas it offers a lot more wallets and better, like, profitable trades for cryptocurrencies. And when you sign up with Coinbase, they give you $10, and then there's actually a questionnaire that you fill out. It takes about 10 minutes, 20, maybe 15 minutes, and you get $40 in cryptos from that. So altogether, you get $50 from Coinbase, which is pretty cool. But I just wanted to show off the actual Cryptotab app on my Android. They're all going to look similar. And like I said, you can download this on literally any device. It does not matter whatsoever. But this is one that I 100% completely trust. There are some weird ones out there, and I've done short reviews on them, and that's why I gave them ratings, out of 5. And this one was a 5 out of 5, so no question. I have no doubt in my mind that that Cryptotab is one of the more reputable cloud mining applications and programs. So, but with that, I'm trying to see if there's anything else. yeah, they just go over your affiliate program. It even says you can use same account on multiple devices, which is cool. So increase your earnings that way. Let's see. Yeah, this is exactly like exactly like Chrome. Oh, so when you do hit that, the top right, the three vertical dots, there's a browsing profile. For me, I like using the light version, so it's not eating up as much system memory as the regular version. So yeah, light version, let it run, and it will remind you when it's time to mine again, so you don't have anything to like think about or you know in the back of your mind, when's it going to tell me to mine again. So but yeah, that's it. And use it for, if you want, use it for everyday, web browsing and so forth. And in that way, you will gain more. You'll actually be able to mine more. The more you do on this on Cryptotab, the more you will be able to mine. So with that, I'm going to call it quits. Thank you very much for watching. Please check out Cryptotab and definitely check out the Coinbase wallet as well. I know they're very reputable and well respected service, Coinbase. So, all right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.